Good day, everyone. Today, we will be proving a function using the concept of injective function. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is John Jeric Bicinco from Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics 1. Let's define what is injective function. Injective function are also known as the one-to-one function. It says here that a function f that A maps to B is injective if for every x sub 1 and x sub 2 in A such that f x sub 1 is equals to f x sub 2, then x sub 1 is equals to x sub 2. But how we can prove that a function A maps to B is injective? First, let x sub 1 and x sub 2 in A and suppose that f x sub 1 is equals to f x sub 2. Then number 2, show that x sub 1 is equals to x sub 2. Sa madaling salita, ang ibig sabihin ng injective function, bawal magkaroon ang dalawang input ng magkaparehong output. Halimbawa, ito ang halimbawa ng isang injective function na kung saan ang tatlong input ay may tig-iisang output. Sa pangalawang example or illustration, dito naman, ito ang example ng hindi injective function dahil ang dalawang input ay may iisang output. So yan ang ibig sabihin ng injective function. And now, let's proceed to proving. Let's prove that a function f that integers maps to integers such that f of n is equals to 7n is injective. Kailangan daw natin i-prove na si 7n, f of n is equals to 7n is injective. Para ma-prove yan, kailangan natin mag-assume na sabi dito na si f x sub 1 is equals to f x sub 2 and x sub 1 is equals to x sub 2. Yan, kailangan natin i-assume. And now, let's show our proof. F x sub 1 is equals to f x sub 2. Then, substitute 7n. 7x sub 1 is equals to 7x sub 2. Then, divide both sides by 7. Then, cancel the common number or the common factor. Then, yung matitira is x sub 1 is equals to x sub 2. Therefore, it is injective. And now, let's prove number 2. A function g that r or real numbers maps to real numbers such that g of x is equals to 3x minus 5. Again, sa pag-solve natin, kailangan ulit natin mag-assume na f x sub 1 is equals to f x sub 2 and x sub 1 is equals to x sub 2. And then, pagkatapos natin mag-assume, kailangan na natin i-show ang ating proving. So, f x sub 1 is equals to f x sub 2. Then, let's substitute the 3x sub 1 is 3x sub 1 minus 5 is equals to 3x sub 2 minus 5. And then, pupunta dito si minus 5 at yung matitira na lang is 3x sub 1 is equals to 3x sub 2. And then, divide both sides by 3. Then cancel the common factor. At yung matitira na lang is x sub 1 is equals to x sub 2. Therefore, injective. So that's it. That's how we prove a function using an injective function. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope you learned something. So again, my name is John Jeric P. Cinco from BSEd Mathematics 1.